This is Mike Love at MarineMax in Summers Point, and today we're going to be walking through the 2024 Scout 195 Sportfish. First, you can see here the hull is going to be shark gray. This boat is going to be powered by a 150 Yamaha. Stepping up into the boat, see lots of space in the back here for fishing. 2 seats in the back with storage under each. Storage under there. Rod holders all across the back to hold rods. Bolsters on the side to be fishing more comfortably. You can lean up against them. Looking at the lean post here, this backrest will come out to give you 2 additional rod holders, as well as live well underneath. The lean post here give you your live well for your bait. Very large live well and rounded edges so no bait gets stuck in the corners on you. Looking at the helm of this boat, you'll see you have digital throttle and shift on the binnacles here. Gauges for your speed and RPMs, as well as all of your switches for lighting and other features. A nice footrest here, so comfortably underway if you want to be riding or standing. You'll notice this boat is equipped with our Midnight Edition. So it's going to have the black T-top, black powder-coated accents all throughout the boat, including the speakers. On the side here, rod storage in the gunnels, 2 on both sides. Walking to the front, you have a nice Yeti cooler cushioned seat, as well as a nice sized casting platform in the front with backrest, so this can become a nice lounging area, or if you wanted to do some more serious fishing, you can pull these out very easily here, flip the cushion up, take it all the way off. You got non-skid under there to make that nice casting platform, as well as have a very large storage compartment up here in the bow. You'll notice the finish on both sides on all of the latches on this boat. Scout definitely prides themselves on the level of fit and finish and quality. Looking at the front, you're gonna have an anchor locker. So anchor can go in there. Cleat to tie off up front, as well as your split nav light in the front there. And rod holder, cup holders in the front as well. So you got the dual purpose there. So again, this is the Scout 195 Sportfish. Great boat for the back bays, great boat for taking the family out cruising or doing a little bit of fishing. Again, I am Mike Love here at MarineMax in Summers Point. I'd love to show you this boat or any of our other inventory. Thanks, and looking forward to seeing you out on the water.